Day 2 NWH Brain Stress Relief Meditation from Survival Mode to Safety. Have you ever felt tired even after sleeping? Do you find yourself overthinking the same thoughts again, and again? Do you feel mentally exhausted, overwhelmed, or unable to switch off? The problem may not be lack of energy. It could be your brain has been working overtime trying to protect you. Your brain is designed to keep you alive when it senses danger, uncertainty, pressure, or stress. It acts survival mode. This survival response is helpful during emergency, but definitely not all the time. But when stress continues day after day, the brain may forget how to relax. The good news is that your brain can learn safety again, as when your brain feels safe, healing begins right there. Today, we will guide you and your brain and your nervous system into a state of calmness, safety, and restoring. The purpose of today's meditation is to help calm the brain, reduce mental overload, regulate the nervous system, and activate the body's natural healing response. Scientific studies show that slow breathing and deep relaxation can reduce stress hormone such as cortisol, activate the parasympathetic nervous system, often called the rest and repair system. So let us focus on our parasympathetic system, repair, regenerate system. In TCM, traditional Chinese medicine, chronic stress can disturb the Shen, the spirit of calm awareness, and create stagnation within body's energy system. Visualize whenever there is no electricity, then there is a short circuit. Can you turn on your fan? Can you turn your light? Definitely not. Similarly, when your body's energy system there is a stagnation, there is a short circuit, you will invite other health issues. Energy will not flow properly. Therefore, today's meditation helps to restore balance. Any imbalance in our energy system causes the disease. Let's focus on a very simple message. I am safe. I am supported. I can relax. Most important part, I can relax and I can heal. So start with an intention. What is your intention? Take a slow, deep breath and gently exhale. Today, I choose peace over pressure. Today, I release the need to be constantly alert. Today, I allow my body and mind to rest. Repeat silently. I am safe. I am calm. I am supported. I am healing. Now let's start with this simple gratitude. Bring awareness to your brain. Take a moment to appreciate everything it has done for you. Dear brain, thank you for protecting me. Thank you for helping me to navigate challenges. Thank you for helping me survive difficult situations. Thank you for doing your best to keep me safe. Thank you for doing your best to keep me safe. Thank you for doing your best to keep me safe. Today you can rest. Today you can relax. Today you can heal. Now, thank you, nervous system. Thank you for supporting every heartbeat, every breath, every moment, every experience of my life. Today, I honor you. I appreciate you. I invite you to relax. Relax. Feel the relaxation while you're thinking, while slaying. Feel the relaxation. Imagine a peaceful lake without ripples. Now allow your forehead to relax. Relax the muscles around your eyes. Relax your cheeks. Relax your jaw. Relax your scalp. Relax your neck. Relax your shoulders. Feel tension melting away. Take a slow breath in and a long breath out. And a long breath out. Again, breathe in and a long breath out. With a feeling of safe, with a feeling of comfort, with a feeling of relax. With every exhalation, your brain receives a message. You are safe. You are safe. You are safe. You are supported. You are supported. Now, imagine a beautiful white light entering your brain. Cool, gentle, healing. The calming light flows through every part of your brain. The thinking centers, the emotional centers, the memory centers, the stress centers. Every cell begins to relax. Every neuron begins to slow down. Every pathway becomes calm and balanced. Allow this blue light to wash away mental fatigue. Allow it to dissolve pressure. Allow it to dissolve overwhelm. Simply rest on this healing light. Imagine every worry become a cloud in the sky. You don't chase it. You don't fight it. You simply watch it drift away. Every expectation, every pressure, every burden, every fear slowly dissolving. You no longer need to carry everything. You no longer need to solve everything right away. For this moment, you are safe. For this moment, you are supported. For this moment, you can rest. Right now, and repeat after affirmations or simply feel it. I release stress. I release tension. I release mental overload. My brain is calm. My mind is peaceful. My nervous system is balanced. My body knows how to heal. Every breath relaxes me. Every breath restores me. I am safe. I am supported. I am healing. I allow peace and relaxation to flow through me. Remember, stress is not a simple mental experience. Stress is a biological signal, and safety is also a biological signal. Every calm breath you take teaches your brain that it doesn't need to stay in survival mode. Every moment of peace strengthens your capacity to heal. Today, you practice safety. Today, you practice restoration, regeneration, and relaxation. Today, you taught your brain how to relax. Place one hand gently on your forehead. Take a deep breath. Silently say, thank you, brain. Thank you for protecting me. Thank you for serving me. Thank you for allowing yourself to rest. Thank you for allowing yourself to rest. I trust my healing. I trust my body. I trust my journey. A deep breath in and out. Relax. One more time. A deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Whenever you feel like, slowly open your eyes or continue to relax.